So on a selected day, we have, say, I don't know how many people come in. How long does it take from the time a person might walk in their door to be in and out?
Roughly 40 minutes.
Hey,
Yeah, because you need the 20 minutes afterwards.
for what?
For the
After
nurse
you've had a cup of tea.
to make sure you have no effects.
Look at Auntie and a cup of tea.
You should have a cup of tea.
No, hang on. Well, tell me how I spend that 40 minutes.
Okay, so you walk in the door,
Yep.
and then our admin team will arrive you in the system. Then you're going to have a seat in the waiting area until the vaccination nurse will be ready.
Yeah.
And then she'll take you in when she's ready into the cubicle, and she'll spend roughly 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5
what?
minutes vaccinating you.
Okay.
And asking you questions.
Yeah, making sure that you are you consent to everything. You're medically fit. And then after that, she'll send you around the corner to our observation nurse for 20 minutes. And then the 20 minutes is normal after every vaccine. It's to make sure that you have no effects within that 20-minute frame. So they check your arm. They ask you how you feel. Do you feel okay? And then after that 20 minutes, when our nurse is satisfied you're fine, then you're able to go.